Good evening, everybody. Today I have ML500166. I will explain how I will release the pad replacement for the rear brake, parking brake, moving and fitting. First step, we will put the key and turn on. Then we will make call and OK. Same time. Then look to dashboard. We will go to pad replacement. Press OK to move to fitting position. OK. Moving to fitting position. Now the handbrake is released. Now you can replace the brake pads. Now to reactivate the system, pad replacement, exit fitting position, OK. Caution exiting fitting position. Now all system is OK.